Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is August the 1st, and just to let you know, whoever tells you you cannot trade on holidays or bank holidays, well, I'm here to show you that if the market is open, it's tradable and you can make a lot of pips, ticks, and money. And I am trading with my new MACD trader system. Now this TZ indicator down here works great. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. It's great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. This up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, you need a lot of demo trading, you need a lot of education, I provide the education, and you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. It's an ongoing learning curve to find great success at trading. Now this MACD, I like it as it produces an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, and you will get a lot of trade calls. Now of course you don't take every trade call, but once you line it up with the daily trade plan, remember you have to have a daily trade plan. In other words, on this particular day, the pound Swiss, the trade plan said to buy, there's the arrow, and just waiting for the pullback, and of course you got a buy signal. And as I mentioned, it's very important you have to have a daily trade plan. Every morning, 6 a.m., where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer putting together my daily trade plan. If you trade Asian, you have to produce a daily trade plan. If you trade London, half an hour before, you're in front of the charts putting together a trade plan. And of course for me, I just trade the New York, I produce it, and trading becomes much easier with a daily trade plan. Now we can take a look at this trade plan that I produced for today, August the 1st, 22. Every one of these trades, and I could have traded a lot more. There was lots of price action today, but my goal on a daily basis, I'm just looking for 200, and I'm quite sure that I've got over 300 pips and ticks for today. So I'm happy with that on this given bank holiday. And of course, remember, you have to wait for the trade to come to you, line up. You want to get in at the beginning, and some days I jump the gun a little bit on the quicker side, and then obviously a 10 or 20 pip stop definitely will not hold, especially on the futures. So now we can get into these trades. You can put this on pause and check it out, the trades and how I traded for today. Okay, here we go. Pound Swiss. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. Everything's looking good for buying. So let's see where I got in at. And as I mentioned, sometimes there's a pullback, but I'm 95% sure it's going to go up, so I don't worry about a pullback. Now, if you're the type who worries about being down 20, 30, 40 pips, well, then just wait for the pullback. Quite simple. Not a big deal. Took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out just being happy with about, looks like about 14 pips, and those 14 pips on the pound Swiss paid out $1,473. Now we can move on to the next Forex trade, the pound dollar. taken directly from my daily trade plan right here. You can see the trend is up. I jumped in as usual. Well, many times I jump in a little bit faster, but today I decided to wait for a bit of a pullback as I teach within the training videos. And it's the pound dollar. Dollar's on the right hand side, so that pays $10 a pip. With the money, that tells me right away it should be 20 pips. So let's see if I can show 20 pips here. There it is right there. 20 pips on this trade times $10 times 10 lots paid out $2,000. Same for the next trade here, the euro dollar. Dollar's on the right hand side, so it's $10 a pip. And let's see the money, so that should be 26 pips. Waited for the pullback. Everything is perfect. Love trading with the MACD trader. 26. Let's see if we can find 26 here. There it is right there, 26. 26 pips times $10 times 10 lots. That paid out $2,600. Okay, let's run a check on the 30-year bonds. Right at the end here. If you remember, my daily trade plan said to buy. There's the arrow. Now this one here, I jumped the gun a little bit on the quicker side. It did this one more cycle, testing out support, but I was 95% sure it was going to continue working its way up. So this pullback here didn't bother me at all. So you just have to hang tight and wait. Now what I did do, use a calculator. I took the money, divided by 5, as it pays $5 a tick, and I ended up with 100. So let's see, should show 100. And there it is right there, 100 ticks. And as you can see, with the 10 lots that I did, it paid out $5,000. So remember, on these futures, 10 or 20 tick stop most often will not hold unless you exercise a lot of patience and wait for the proper entry, or a better timed entry. And I teach that in the video called How to Get Near Perfect Timing Entries. Another Forex trade I did, pound CAD. Another one I bought here. There's the arrow. There's your slight pullback. I waited for the pullback, as you can clearly see. Then it started to go up, and I was again 95%. I had a nice winner here. Could have made a little bit more, but I was happy with my totals. And looks like this one is 82. That's 82 pips. And those 82 pips paid out $6,398. So now let's move on to this NASDAQ. The NASDAQ does pay $20 a tick. Let's drag and drop this up. Decided to do another cycle, but I knew it was going to go up eventually. So let's see now. I took the money, divided it by 20, and I came up with 59 and change. So let's see if I can show 59. There it is right there. Actually, it is 59.4. Can't get much closer than that. But let's go with 59 ticks times 20 times 10 lots, and that paid out $11,880. So another great day of trading. Great way to start off this week. And of course, especially for a bank holiday, I can't complain at all. I knew it was going to be around 300, and it was. It turned out to be 304 pips and ticks, and those 304 ticks ended up paying out $29,351. So if your system is not producing like my MACD trader system, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. And remember, don't forget about the daily trade plan. If you want some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video. And you'll see this right up right here. My MACD trader system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my MACD trader system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now, I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, 9 bonus videos. This is just a lot of extra training and education that should help you to some degree at finding success at trading. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade the markets. I teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos, about 32 minutes long, approximately, of course. Now, you can put the video on pause. You can read all this. And now, if you have any questions at all, simple. Just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, easy again to get in contact with me. Just email me. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you again. All you have to do is click on this link, and we will have a Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully that'll be tomorrow, providing there's no distractions. And between now and then, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.